So hello guys, we are going to show you how to install C++ with Eclipse so that your program can run uh, pthreads and also OpenMP. So firstly we need the compiler. So for the compiler we use the MinGW compiler for C. So the first link that you get for SourceForge, you download it. So once you have it downloaded, uh, we're going to install the MinGW compiler. I'm just now here you can mark all of these packages to be installed, but specifically for OpenMP and pthreads you have to go to all packages. Once in all packages you have to navigate to uh, library pthreads, so lib pthreads, and here you see from this lib pthread old, all of these have to be selected. Lib pthread, lib pthread, this one. Okay, now all of them are selected for installation. Once all of these are selected, we go to apply changes, apply. So now that all changes were successfully applied, you can close this. You, you can also close this, and now if we turn on CMD, it won't work because the the computer doesn't know the path to the MinGW. So if we write gcc minus minus version, it's not recognized because we have to add the path to the MinGW. So probably for all the computers it's going to be installed in C drive. So we are going to the C drive and it's MinGW and bin. So this is the path that we want to set as an, we want this path to be known by the computer. So we search edit environment variables. Okay, so we went edit system environment variables, we selected this one, and we go to environment variables. Here in a system variable we can look for path and add the new path to MinGW compiler. Here press OK, press OK again. Okay, now that the path has been added, if I give the same command, I think we have to restart the computer. So let's restart the computer. Wait, let me check one more time. Okay, no, we just needed to press the last OK, which I did. So we don't have to restart the computer. So I didn't press the last OK. So now I did, and now it works. So now we're going to try to run this sample program, which has C programming inside. So let us run it. So now we are going to test an OpenMP C program to run. So first, let's get the code. So here is a sample uh, C program that uses OpenMP. So if this runs, we can say that OpenMP, uh, all the libraries required for OpenMP is successfully installed. So this is test dot. We put the extension as C because it's a C program, and for now we can just open it with a notepad. Open it with a notepad and put in the code. Now we have to navigate, and for some reason my command prompts open on the H drive, so I first need to go to C drive, C colon. Okay, now I'm in C drive, and now I can just copy paste the location. Properties, copy the location, CD, and paste the location. Okay, now I'm in the location to looking at what I have inside. I have the test.c file. So I'm going to do gcc. Now uh, if it was only a normal C program, then this command would have worked, but it's a OpenMP program. So for OpenMP program, I need to add this parameter, f OpenMP. And now once I run this, you see I have an executable named a.exe. Now if I run just a.exe here, then I get the output of the program. So now I know that OpenMP is working from command line, but we want, so like if you're too lazy and don't want to install Eclipse, you can just run your program like this. So put it in a C file and then run it from the command line using gcc minus, and the parameters you need is f OpenMP. Now if you want to run it from Eclipse, you have to install Eclipse. So let's download Eclipse IDE for scientific computing. For some reason when we go inside, it says we have a new version available, so we go to the new version, and here's the latest 2024 version. So I'm just downloading the latest version for Windows. So now that it's downloaded, we can install Eclipse. So just installing Eclipse now. When you open the Eclipse installer, you are presented with this, and because we are doing C and we are doing when installing for C, we are going to go with this option. So just install. Except once you have it, you launch it. Okay, so once you have it installed, you launch it, and you just launch it. It's now launching. So initially you get this, but we're just going to go to create a new C++ project. We're going to select C because in our course we're going with C. So here, because we opened the test3 project, we have the project here, and we first have to build it and then run it. Okay, and build it, run it. Sometimes you have to do a build project here. Build it, run it. Clean project, build project, and run project. So run as a local C++. So sometimes it happens that you compile it, run it, sometimes it doesn't work, then you have to clean project, build project, then run as a local C++ application. Okay, but one problem you might face is that even though you did all the steps correctly, OpenMP codes might not work here. Let me show you an example. So this is a OpenMP code, and we include this in the, like, we just replace the code with OpenMP code, and now if we try to build project, see, it doesn't recognize the OpenMP commands, because remember we had to add in the -f OpenMP parameter, so we have to do that manually here. So we go to file, now we go to properties, we right click on the project test3, that's our project, we go to properties, then if we go to C++ builds, we go to environment, C, inside C++ builds, we go to environment, okay, we go to settings, and then we have to put in the f minus f OpenMP inside the compiler and also the linker. So in order to put it inside the compiler, we add it in miscellaneous, so -f OpenMP, right, and then apply, rebuild. Okay, and for the linker, we also have to put it inside miscellaneous, and inside linker flags we write f -f OpenMP, apply and close. Now if we build it and then run it, then it works. So that's basically the tutorial. Just to recap, we first install the MinGW compiler, and then we can run it from the, we have to add the environment variable After that, we can run it from the command line or the terminal. But inside Eclipse, normal C++ programs automatically run. But in order to, you might have problem running OpenMP programs. For that, you just have to add in the -f OpenMP, both inside the compiler, miscellaneous, and the linker, and then it will work. So thank you for watching the video. Yeah, that's it.